Good morning. My name is Lê Ngọc Thị Anh and my student number is 124202122. The project that I'm going to present to you today is create your own audiobook. First, I will show how my project runs so you guys can understand what my program does.
12 Philosophy is not just the preserve of brilliant but eccentric thinkers that it is popularly supposed to be. It is what everyone does when they're not busy dealing with their everyday business and get a chance simply to wonder what life and the universe are all about. We human.
That is what my program does, and I will explain in further details in the next slides. First of all is the project description. As you can see from the demonstration that I have shown, my program will read out loud any PDF files of your choice, which helps you create your own audiobook. Next, the two modules that are necessary for my program to run is the Python text-to-speech version 3, which helps convert the text to speech. And the next module is the Python PDF 2, which is a tool which helps Python to deal with PDF files. This is the screenshot of my full code. It consists of only 12 lines of code, which is super short and simple. I will explain in further details and main points of my codes. First of all, after installing the Python text-to-speech version 3 and the Python PDF version 2 modules, I have imported those two in the first two lines of my code. Next, I will open the book, which is the PDF file, which is called the philosophy book. And I make sure that my book is in binary book. Next, I will use the Python PDF function, PDF file reader, to read from a book. And next, I will check the number of pages that the PDF file have. If I want to, I can print out the value, but I don't think it's necessary here, so I choose not to. Next, I will initialize the Python initialize the speaker using this function, Python text-to-speech version 3 dot initialize. Next, I will use the for loop and the range function to start reading from the page that I want, which here you can see is number 12 to the end of the book, which is leave pages. Next, I assign the variable page to get the page. If you want, you can assign a specific number of page, so Python can do that, but I don't need to do that, so I just leave num here. Next, I will use the variable text and the function extract text to extract the text from the page that I want. And at the end of the codes, I will use the function speaker.say to read the text. Here I leave the text in the hypothesis. And finally, the last line of my code is just I command the speaker to run and wait. And that's the end of my codes. It's very short. And next, I will demonstrate how my program works again. Okay, so here I have I want my program to read from page number 12 from the PDF file, and as I have stated here, and I want the program to read philosophy is not just the preserve of brilliant but eccentric thinkers, and let's see if Python will read just like that.
12 Philosophy is not just the preserve of brilliant but eccentric thinkers that it is popularly supposed to be. It is what everyone does when they're not.
As you can see, Python does exactly what I wanted to do. It starts reading from page 12 and it starts reading this philosophy is not just the preserve, Yes, and I think that's it. My program is very simple and it's very easy to create, and I think anyone can do it. And it's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.